Shut the fuck. Is this thing on? How the fuck do I even use a camera anymore? Dude, it's been so long. Hey guys, Matthew here. Welcome back to another video. If it wasn't obvious, today we're doing something a bit different. You know, instead of gaming videos, we're inside of a Jetta, which I'll be showing in a bit. It's been a while since I've done videos. I don't know if by now I might have uploaded some content. I might have not. This might be the first video back. This might not be. I guess time will tell. I'm 18 now. I have gone into cars, and I've had a lot of cars. I had a 95 MK3 Jetta. Mustang. Nice car. Oh my god! And then I had myself a 2006 MK4 GTI. And I sold both those cars, and then afterwards purchased this car. It's a 98 MK3 Jetta. The reason I got this car and kept it and sold the other ones was because this one was manual. The other cars were all automatic, and the GTI was rebuilt title. But it sounded really good. It was straight piped. So yeah, let's go outside and show you this thing. So this is the car. Isn't she a beauty? We have a lot of work to do with it. I'm gonna get a new kit for it, wide body kit at some point. I got a new grill coming in because this one's ass. Other than that, I haven't really done much to it. As you can see, right now I don't have the shift boot in. I took it out because I'm going to be replacing this maybe today, maybe not. I haven't got a shift knob yet. This is just a stock one. I put this on, got a little bunny girl on the wide rear view. Recaro pillows that I got on AliExpress, so that looks cool. This came with the car. It's Bluetooth, but the speakers sound absolutely god awful, and I will not be using them until I fix that. But I have a lot of plans for this car, and you guys will be seeing that throughout. So yeah, when I purchased this car, it was pretty mint and it was in pretty good condition. The one thing that needed to be changed on it was the fact that it does not have a good thermostat. The thermostat is old, it's broken, it's stuck on open, and it's causing problems. So I got myself a new thermostat. You can get this for like 20 bucks at whatever store. So over here we got the actual thermostat we're gonna be putting in, and then we also got the pipe for it that goes around it, because it was like $5 extra, so why not replace it? It wasn't obvious. I know jack shit about cars on how to fix them or anything. The other two cars I had, I did a little bit of fixing to just fix like the check engine light or fix some vacuum seals or put a new sensor in, and that's pretty much it. So this is going to be a car project that I'm going to kind of learn a lot on. We're going to make this thing look sick, and yeah, I guess we might as well get started on this fucking day because I'm tired and sick. Okay, so as you can tell, this thing is a mess. I don't even know what this is. Kimball Midwest, whatever the fuck. What even is this? Is this just materials? That's that guy's address. I probably shouldn't be showing that. Okay. First things first, this is absolutely disgusting. It's a disgusting trunk. I have plans in the future to put like wood. I think it'd be really cool. I've seen people do it that get bags on their car. They kind of put wood here. Seems to be tape right here. That's lovely. So yeah, I guess first things first, let's vacuum this, and yeah, then we can start on some other stuff.
With that drip, ho.
so while I was cleaning this, I looked back here, it says a zip tie. And it looks like they put, for the trunk here, ow, fuck. Looks like they put their own speakers here. They did. They did a shit job of putting this on. Interesting. Is this one as loose? Looks like it. Okay then. Well, looks like they put some custom speakers back here. But the front ones are absolutely atrocious. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to be cleaning more of the car, not just the trunk. Speaking of which, it's not that bad. The issue is this hair. It's like, it won't go away. I'm going to try to get a lint roller or something for it. It seems to be even here, just hair. I don't know if they had pets or something, but I was just cleaning a bit and I found this Volkswagen book. I don't know if this is like the manual or something. The original manual. That'd be really cool. I don't know why it's in the trunk either. But, oh, this seems to be like paperwork. I'm gonna put that to the side so I don't get in trouble. But it looks like, oh my god. It's like the original owner's manual. That's so sick. Yeah. This car though, while cleaning it, I see it has a lot of problems. Like it has like these black mats that they got for it. And this is completely busted. Can you pull this open? Oh, I didn't even know that. There's like a coin pouch here. The interior of my other Jetta that I had prior to this was in such better condition. This Jetta is mechanically better, but in way worse condition. Like what? It's like falling out of the door. That's lovely, I guess. Yeah, this car is really cool, you know, seeing it on the channel and seeing how it improves as time goes on. I do want to get a lint roller though and try to clean this. This is gross. I don't even think I own a lint roller. Okay, so I did a very light cleaning, if you would even call it cleaning, because it was really just vacuuming a bit of the junk and taking some of it out. But now we're gonna take ourselves a good old reliable daily and go on over to Harbor Freight to get ourselves we're gonna go over to Harbor Freight to get ourselves an oil pan thingy, liquid picker upper. Okay, I made it to Harbor Freight. You can't see this car. Apparently they're having a huge sale, which makes sense because the whole parking lot's full and it's like impossible to park anywhere. Let's go inside. Okay, got the oil pan. Has a little faucet at the end that I can kind of push everything out. Basically, when you remove the thermostat, the antifreeze comes with it. So I kind of want to save that. It's crazy how cheap stuff is here, dude. It's $6, and when I looked on Amazon or other sites, they were trying to charge me a lot more. They were trying to charge me for something like this, like $30. So, yeah, Harbor Freight's goated. Okay, I'm back. If it wasn't obvious, it is a whole new week. It is the next week. I already did the install. The install is completed. I had a friend come over, the one that I sold my green Jetta to. He came over, and I never really worked in this section of the car, so he wanted to know how to replace the thermostat for whenever he has to replace it on his car. Well, right now, outside, as you can sort of tell, I have the Jetta parked over there. I'm going to go outside, lift the car up, and pretty much show you guys what I did or kind of explain it. And I'm also going to link the video I used and explain a little bit what I did differently in the video so you guys kind of have a good idea of that. And then we're going to work on a different project that I have in mind. So let's just get to it. Okay, so once you have your car jacked up, you can then go underneath it. I don't have a jack stand because I'm not working on the car. I'm just kind of being stupid and using just this. I wouldn't recommend that yourself, especially if you're working on it and pulling on stuff. Right now I'm not really touching anything. But yeah, the car's also dripping because I was just at the corner store that has a washing machine a car wash place. So I cleaned it there, just a little bit, little rinse. And yeah, now you can get to work. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. So first I removed this bolt because this bar, it kind of gets in the way with the power steering. And it is kind of annoying. Let me see if I can actually, there we go, it's much better. So basically I took off this cover. You basically just pull it off and it comes off, and that is what I did. And it allows you to access everything. You gotta take the timing belt off, and you gotta take the belt off from the power steering, And then you remove a few bolts. I removed this bolt, this bolt. There's a couple in the back. I will link a video in the description of the video I used and the tutorials I used. And once you get the power steering down, the thermostat is like right there. I suggest removing all your antifreeze beforehand instead of afterwards with the thermostat. So basically right here is where the antifreeze is stored. You kind of open this clip, you poke a certain tool that lets you take out liquids. I don't remember the name of it. You put it in here and it lets all the antifreeze come out in your oil pan. That is what I did. Got the antifreeze out, which I'm kind of tired, Jesus Christ. It allows you to get all the antifreeze out, so when you take the thermostat out, you're not getting blasted with antifreeze in your face, and you can save a lot more of it. So then once you get that, you put the new thermostat in, plug it all back in, and that is what I did, and that is what worked. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it's not the most detailed. I didn't see anyone talk about removing this, which did help me to keep the power steering and everything out of my way and make it more useful, or how to remove this. This has 3 little brackets in it that are a pain in the ass, and you just gotta kind of pull it down, and when you pull it down, it comes out and makes your life a lot easier. So yeah, that's pretty much it in this regard. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if I'm dressed differently. If it's not obvious again, it started raining after that clip, so I had to wait till tomorrow, which you guys will have already seen that clip of me working under the car and explaining everything. So today's project, this is my old shift boot. As you guys can see, I just got dirt all over my table now that I have to clean lovely. It is ripped, it is gross, it is old, and I just wanted a new one. The e-brake is also ripped, but the e-brake, I'm probably going to go to the junkyard and see if I can find one, or just try to figure it out. There used to be this cool samurai sword one that I wanted, but it's no longer available, so I'm going to see if I can make it myself. I don't really know. But I have this, and this is a Recaro shift boot that I got on AliExpress. You know, it matches the pillows that are in the car, and I wanted to put this one. But as you can tell, these sit differently. The one that's in the car, it clips on to the car. So what I wanted to do is kind of have it stand up and try to kind of mod this one. As you guys can also tell, the top, it's a little bit too small in this one, so I'm going to have to also figure that out. But I'm going to have to try to find a way to make this work. Now, I could simply just put it on here and have it just stand over the other one. But I don't really know how I feel about that. So I could try that first, or I could try something else. I guess it's just going to be testing it until we get a match. So I'm going to go outside. It is raining, but I'm going to go outside, try it, and work with you guys. So let's go outside. Now, I also had the idea of cleaning the old shift boot and gluing the other one to it and kind of making it work, which I could do. It would be a lot of work, and I don't really want to do that. But I want to test this method out first, because if this works, it will save me a lot of time. And if it doesn't, then I have a lot more work to do. So I got the boot, I got everything. Let's go outside, and I hope I don't get too wet. My dad also broke that, so that's lovely. And I have to unlock the car from the passenger side to get in, because this lock is broken. So, or not the lock itself, but the mechanism for it. So the alarm goes off when I unlock it on this side. But anyways, we are here. This is how I've been driving the car for the past few days, of just going around town and testing stuff. So this, we can just simply take it off. Usually what you do is you unscrew it and you pull up, and it'll come off when you have the boot. As you can see, this one's also ripped, which needs to be fixed. That will be worked on. Pretty much, this one's really dirty as well, so it's not going to be a permanent fit. It's going to be a temporary test fit. You kind of just got to fumble it out, take it out, and we're going to try putting this on. I don't really have a good angle, so I'm kind of going to just show you guys my progress as I go through. Okay, this is rough draft 1. I didn't clip it in yet, but this did not want to go into the boot, so I just simply took the piece off. I have the old boot underneath, which is what it's clipped into right now, and it works, you know. I just simply want to change a few things about it. One, kind of turn it to the side, and I'm going to get some tape, because I think I can wrap it underneath, but I just can't have it stay. So I'm going to get some tape, see if that can help, and yeah, I'm liking it so far. Okay, so after so long, we got the shift boot on. Things may look different around the car. It'll all make sense in future videos. My hat is different. Everything is different. recording these videos have been really hard to do, and I'm kind of doing them in a bunch of different parts. So you will see everything will click together as time goes on. But anyways, we got the shift boot on. I'll put a picture on the screen of what we did. We kind of took zip ties and made a mount for it to fit in the bracket. And then my mom tied it up and sewed it together. And it came out really cool, as you can see. We also cut a piece of the leather up to here. It is the leather piece. And we put a spring. So this always goes. So basically, if I push it down into reverse, it will stay up. You know, it's going to stay in place. If I push it to fifth, it's going to stay. And yeah, it works pretty well. It's tight. It's not exactly perfect down here, but it does work, and it is really freaking nice. I'm so happy that it is done. So yeah, that is cool. But yeah, guys, this is the end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I'm excited to continue working on my car. I have a lot of stuff recorded already for episode 2. I just haven't uploaded yet because I was working on this episode, but I wanted to work on other stuff, and I was like, this needs to be another video. And it's weird, okay? I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, stick around for episode 2. It will be coming out soon. Episode 2, I guess, like the second video on the Jetta. I wouldn't really need to call it an episode, but yeah, since the last time you saw me, I now daily this car. So this is my daily. I take it everywhere. I have a lot of fun driving it. And there's a lot of stuff you guys are going to see in the near future. And I'm excited for it. I'm really excited to get this build going and show it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Stick around. Maybe in a couple weeks I'll upload the second video. You know, I don't want to just upload these all in a row. Maybe I'll upload some gaming videos and stuff on the side as well. But thank you guys for watching again. And BVG out.
Wake up to the money like hi, good morning. Keep 3 hoes on me, now I think I'm Mormon. Really only counting up if it's blue like Corbin. Don't hit my line if you know I'm recording, cause I got these hits, but now she wanna have my kids. But this ain't Murray Povich, I heard your last man shop that lids.